All right, guys, still continuing on with designing earrings for sublimation, double-sided inside Cricut Design Space. I'm going to show you how you can take one print and turn it into multiple designs, okay? So you can see here on my canvas that I have 3 pairs of earrings. Again, remember it's double-sided front and back. So that's 3 pairs of earrings there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and highlight all of these. And that way I can hide them for a second here. Just going to group. And group and hide the group. All right, so I'm going to start from the template. I'm not going to go over everything that I've talked about previously, and that's because you can refer back to the previous videos. This is just giving you some ideas for designing because we know Christmas is coming and we want to have some things that we can put together for our family or friends. All right, so it looked like I took my template out, so I'm just going to bring one of these in. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload an image. And this was just a tree that I found on Google. So I'm going to show you here. It was just a tree that I found on Google. And I was actually out here and I searched for beautiful colors clip art. And so this is what comes up. And when I saw the tree, I thought, oh, that might be a cute pair of earrings, but not really just the tree itself. So I'm going to show you the process of what I did. So I clicked on it and well, that rainbow is pretty. Oh, there we go. So I clicked on it and then I did save image as, like I normally show you to right click and save image as, and then you can see I saved it. I'm not going to save it again, but I'm going to go back to Cricut Design Space and I'm going to bring that image into Cricut Design Space to my canvas. All right, there we have our tree. And what I did was, hold on one second. Just checking out something here. Okay, it will work. All right, so what I did is I think hold on one second. I think I deleted my template. So let me get my template back in. Teardrop. Bam. I'm just going to resize this to get my little template that I had back because I think I deleted it by accident. And I'm just going to click on this and say 1.697, 1.697, 1.697, and then 2.708. Here we go. All right, so I have my template back. And so all I did is I took the tree and then I kind of downsized it just a little bit here, just enough to where I can fit my earring template inside of it. So I'm going to hit send to, it looks like it's already forward. Okay, it's already forward. So I'm just going to bring it over like this. And I wanted to make sure that I had this as kind of like a starting point. Keep it in mind that this is bigger than your actual earring blank, okay? So I took and I put my template on top of the tree like that. I highlighted it and sliced in the bottom right corner. All right, so when I got here, I'm like, okay, that's kind of different than that and this. All right, what just happened here? Give me 1 second. I'm going to have to make sure that I save my template a couple of times because I've not deleted it, but worked with it a couple of times. All right, so I'm going to go back and get my teardrop again because I don't want to use one of these. This is going to be so cool, guys. I think you're really going to like this. So 1.697. And 2.708, I think. All right, I'm gonna swoop that baby around like that. All right, so I'm gonna do this again because I don't like how that one turned out on my actual design there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna resize the tree because I want to get as much of the floral print in there as possible. And I don't want some big shape in the middle of it. All right, let's try that. So again, we're going to take our template. Oh, wait a minute. Let me duplicate my template before I do the same thing. So I'm just going to hide that baby. All right, so now I'm going to go in with the slicing. All right, that's better. I can tell from just looking at that I like it better. All right, so there's one, there's two, and this is three. Okay, so right now you could take this one, which would be a pretty design, and you could color it in. So let's say we wanted to do a nice red pair of earrings with a little white in there, then duplicate that